Now look at what I want to show you here. You see this? This is the main reason our neck side of natural hair is always not equivalent with the part of the hair, or generally the edges. Okay, the edges. So I will be showing you or telling us how to handle such, because this one, like his semi name now, is already breakage. We need to be careful. So I don't need to tell you how we get here in order to make this easy for us. What the video I uploaded before. Now, this is beautiful. Look at the under. Look at how beautiful it is. Yeah, I'm so happy the oil gets under this much. So we are retwisting. You see, this is what I want to show you in this area. I don't know if you notice that I'm not removing the shower cap now, as I'm twisting one after the other, so that the hair will not dry up from the moisture. Okay, so I have boosted this hair already. I have massages, I have moisturized it, apply oil to keep it growing and all of that on the other video. So now you see this now. So this part under, I unravel it separate somehow, not from the whole part I unravel. Okay, I hope you are getting my point. So this one now, what you will do, you will always, you will have to, take your time. Take your time to separate it or detangle it with your hand. If you apply all of them together, this one does not have much like that, except the part that is closer. Okay, then you do this, you separate it. Okay, then after which, when you are satisfied with the detangle or detangling, what you do, you can take something like this. You keep the hair stretched and comb out. And comb out. Like this. Now you see it's coming up. See? It's coming up. Then, easy and steady. You are combing it out. You are combing it out. Voila. Now you see it. You see all that we got now. Definitely this breakage is sure. It's 100%. So you see? So look at this now. Like this one, you can use your hand to remove it. And voila. You see it now? So this is what you do. And you can now what? Do the parts together. And for this little one up here, this is how we go about it. So make sure you detangle the hair well with your what? With your finger. With your finger. So I'm not the type that does not what? Apply comb. But if I'm not in a hurry like this, I do my best to apply finger in doing so much before I apply comb. Then this is me now applying more oil, more water. Add a little bit cream if it's needed, especially the tip. Work my way down. I'm teaching you now how to what? Maintain length, keep your hair growing, and the one that has grown already will just be there. We are doing retwisting. You see the part now, it's a little bit neat, so don't just try to be using it, because natural hair has undergrow every now and then because of the little that is breaking up. So whenever you are doing hair, you are waiting for the under to be clean, you are just looking for trouble. But even if it does, 3 days after, you will see what you are trying to avoid again. So like this now, I see that part is not wet. Detangle with my finger or before, then I go through it again. Okay, if you see anything stubborn, instead of it to strap it out, use scissors on it to cut it. Okay, so you do this. This is just to smooth the body. Sorry, my dear. So see, this is one thing about combing hair. When you comb hair like this, it will be more difficult. Okay, but when you stretch the hair like this, it's more easier. Okay, when you are combing hair, some people will do so and no, help the hair, help the career of the hair by stretching it. Okay, now you cannot see the hair is now what? Fully clean. And another thing I would like you to learn here is, if you do not want to borrow hair later, when you are braiding hair, try to make it equal. Although you can avoid that totally, but you can minimize it. Okay, so these things that I'm giving to you now, you can hardly find it somebody that will explain this much on the street of YouTube. I'm telling you the truth. So you see, this part now, I twist it. Now let me teach you another way to reduce breakage or sustain length. When your hair is already long or your hair is long, you are twisting, do your best to make sure your hair, your hand is going through the twisting like this from beginning to the end. I don't know if you get it. Let me explain. If you do like this, like this, like this place will become together later. So if you now force it to open it later, it will break. Okay, except your hair is still short. If it has length, try not to be doing this. Okay, in order to cause this, in order not to cause this. So let your finger go through it. It's a little bit time consuming, but it is better. Okay, do you notice anything about this hair strand now? From here to here is more thinning. Do you know the reason? Because baby girl experienced setback. So the upgrowing by God's grace is up to here, and the rest is not up to here. He experienced a very huge setback about 2 years ago. So we are trimming the hair. That is why the hair was more longer than this. We are trimming it. So this is why you see this part more thinning, especially the surrounding of the hair. Okay, so if you are able to be this conscious when you are handling your natural hair that got length, your hair will keep on what? Growing. Okay, so I hope you learned something from this. I will leave you now, and you call it a day while I continue. So another thing I would still like to tell you later when I'm done, I don't think I will film again. I'll film 2 videos on this particular scene now. Another thing I will do later is, this is how I will protect the edge until we take it down again. You see, nothing will interfere, not pillowcase, not bed, not the weather, not dryness, nothing. It will remain like this. When you want to take it off later, just do so. You're good to go. I hope you learned something. Share this video, give it thumbs up, and for this wonderful hair grow and hair retention tip. Bye. God bless you.